and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to teach our dog how to search for your keys. Now this is something that's going to be a lot of fun. Frankie doesn't know what to do, so it'd be good to get him started. He can do scent work, but it doesn't matter if your dog can already do scent work or not. This method can be used for any dog at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off. I've got a clicker here, I've got some treats, and I have my car keys. Now, when you're doing this with your dog, you want to make sure that they have got some sort of marker. So whether that's the word yes in a verbal marker or a clicker. Now, I do in this instance prefer to use a clicker because a clicker takes away that personal aspect of the marker. When I'm trying to reward something for, like, say, scent work, where I want to make sure that something else other than me has the reward and has a reward associated with it, I want to use the clicker, because the moment I say, for instance, with the keys, if I have the keys and he interacts with it and I go yes, that's all right, but there is a chance that he'll link the reward to me, not to the keys. So by using a clicker, it just takes away my personal voice and it enables him to more easily understand that the keys are what are triggering the click, not my voice. The reward isn't coming from me, the reward is coming from the keys, so to speak. You'll also notice I'll try and place the treat on the ground. I won't hand feed him. Again, I don't want to link the reward to myself. I want him as much as possible to understand that the reward's coming from the keys. So if he locates the keys and finds the keys, then that's perfect. So to get ourselves started, we're not going to use a word. This is just the very first session, so we'll see how he goes. All I'm going to do is I'm going to place the keys on the ground. I've got my clicker ready, I've got my treat, and I'm going to reward him. So we'll see how we go. So I'm going to wait there, and I'm just going to wait for him to come over and interact with it. Now, if our dog doesn't, then you might want to initially maybe drop a treat kind of a bit closer. I tend not to do that if I can help it, because I don't want the dog to associate the treat directly there with the keys sort of thing, but we'll see how it goes. So if he doesn't show any interest, free. So on his bed he's doing very well. So I'm going to place his keys back. I'm just going to wait. And I'm going to click and reward. So I'm taking my eyes off him. Excellent. And he thinks this is great. All I got to do is go back to those keys. Very nice. And you'll notice there I keep my eyes off him. I try not to gesture because I want him to think for himself to go to those keys. I don't want him going because I'm playing with the keys and I'm pointing. I'm saying go get them. I just want him to do it himself. So I gave him a few treats there just to keep him distracted. Now, because he does scent work, he kind of knows he's got to go find an object, even though the keys are totally foreign to him. If your dog doesn't know what to do though, then you want to keep the keys closer. And it's going to be a lot of repetition of this. You want to really build up that value for the dog. You want to do so many repetitions that your dog's got no hesitancy. There's no question of what they're getting rewarded for. You do so many reps over a longer period of time though. So you're not going to sit here for an hour and just keep doing it, because that'll get really boring. Literally 2 or 3 minutes, rewarding it. Keep it really fun, high value treat. Keep it super light. Don't try and jump ahead too quick. And then what we can start to do is we can start to increase the distance between the keys. We can start to make it harder. We can start to add now search word or our keys word later and things like that. But we just want to keep it real easy to begin with. As you can see by him sitting here, he's not entirely sure what to do, so I'm just going to keep doing this. It is going to take a bit of time. Very good, but I'm going to keep moving those keys around as well, just different spots, but I'm not going to try and hide them. Very good. Fantastic. And this is just that first kind of step. Very good. If you have any dog training questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks everyone. Bye. Yeah, you're really good.